Hi little builders, and welcome back to another video of Woolworths and Big W Mystery Bricks opening of packets. This one feels, I don't know, it kind of feels familiar. I'm hoping it's going to be a person. I would love another person. Let's see. And it is, it is another person. It's another mum. Yay! All right. That is awesome. This is great. I love another person. So we've got mum's face and her hair. She's got 2 arms, a body, and some legs. So let's put her together. We put that hair on mum's head like so. Click. Oh no. Come on. Click. Come on. Click. Jeez Louise. I had it on the wrong way. Oopsie. Sorry. No wonder it wouldn't click. Oh, wait a second. Which way is it? Oh, jeez. There we go. Click. Come on. Get your hair on. Did it click? What? Okay. So then we put mum's head on her body like that. And her little leggies like that, and we just make sure, yep, she can sit down. Now we've got to give her some arms. That arm goes here. Wait for the click. Oh, you gotta be so strong to do this. There we go. And another arm. Click. Come on. Oh my goodness, there we go. All right. Now, mum's got some stickers. So turn her around, and she's got a tracksuit and a hoodie. So we take that sticker off, and we put that on her front there. And just like that. Oh, wow. That's a stylish mum. And we turn her around, and we get this hoodie bit, if we can get it. There we go. We get the hood and pop it right there. And we've got a mum. Hi. That is awesome. Well, mum, you can sit right there. Oh, this one feels biggish. Oh, what are the predictions? Let's see. It could be something like the dog, you know, the dog kennel, the dog house, or a piece of furniture. Let's check and see what it is. Oh, it's a microwave. Now, we haven't had that before, so I'm so happy about that. There's only a few pieces, which makes me happy too. All right, let's see. You know we're going to have stickers with this one when there's only a few pieces. We've got this big piece here and these little pieces. So I'll bring you guys close. And let's go ahead and assemble. Okay, so it's saying that, oh, this is really easy to put together, I believe. You just go click, and you go click. Both times didn't make a noise. And then you put the door on. Like that. Is that right? Oh my goodness, how stinking cute. And then you can open it, put your food in, and then click. Oh my goodness, that is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, and that was so easy to put together too. All right. So, yeah. Okay. So it's saying to put sticker A on the back. No, that can't be right. Sticker B on the side here. We'll do sticker B first. Oh my goodness. Come off the paper, please. Please. There you go. See? Manners. That gets you everywhere. All right. So we put that there, and that's how you control the microwave. That's how you sort of, you know, if you want it high or low or, you know, whatever. So that's that one. And then I really do believe that these instructions are telling me to put sticker A on the back. So it would be right there. And that kind of makes sense if it's the fan, right? So whatevs, we'll go with it. And if you can hear my dog, I apologise. Which way does it go, I wonder? Pardon me. I think it goes like that. Let's say it goes like that. Awesome! And look at that. Oh my gosh, got a microwave that opens. How stinking cute. Awesome. All right, you know what? I think Mum would love that, so we'll sit Mum next to the microwave. And look at this. Yep, we're going to do another one. Why not? You know, you only live once, so let's open another one. This one feels really thin, so I'm thinking it's going to be, oh, geez, Louise. It might be a garden table. Let's check. Rip. And it is, oh no, it's a carrot patch. Wowzers. On another video where I opened a carrot patch, I actually lost one of the carrot bits. So hopefully I won't lose a carrot bit this time, and I'll put it together all the way. All right, so I've got some lovely orange and green and brown pieces. So we'll start with this gorgeous grey piece. It's looking like it wants to sit there. Is that right? Let's say it is. Then we put another carrot there. And for that one, we can put a green top on as well. And then over here, we've got another carrot, but it's grown out a little bit more. So it gets 2 orange pieces and a nice green top on it as well. There we go. Wow, how excellent. It's our carrot patch. And now I've got another packet here, but I'm not opening it in this video. I will open it in the next one. So what I need you to do is press the like button, press the subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you will be notified of the next new video that comes out, and I'll see you in the next one.